In this example, we're going to add the controls on the form that we have created earlier. We're going to change the label on the form, which is the name of the form itself, from being FRM Friends, and we're also going to put in a command button that will close the form. Now, to do the controls on your form, you need to be in the design view of the form. In the design view of your form, you will then go into the design, and you will see there that you've got controls in there. First, I want to go in and delete this label here, and I want to put in a new label. If you go into the form controls, there you will have the text boxes, the labels, and so on. So I select in the label there, and let me put it in the center, and I call it my class of 2010 friends. I can do as much as I want with this text, like you would do in Microsoft Word. You can go into that particular label, and then you can format the fonts and change the font colors. If I right click there, you can change the font colors, you can change the fill effects, you can pretty much do everything you would do on a form with Microsoft Word or Microsoft Excel. Now I've changed the font properties of that label. You can move the label around to place it wherever you want. And lastly, you can go into the form and build a button on the form. Now I want to build this button as a close button. When I click in there, I will have the command button wizard, and it needs me to put in the form operation, where then I would say I want this button to close the form when I click on it. Then I'll go next. Then it says, what text do you want to put on there? And then I would say close a form, or I'll just say close. And then I go next, and then the name of the button is command button. I don't have a problem with that. And then I go next. Then I've built a button here that when I click on it, it will close this form. Once I'm done with all those, I will then go back into the datasheet view. Remember to save the form first, and then go into the form view, and then you've got the name of the form, and then you've got the button, which when you click on it, it will close the form.